Hello my follows. How are doing? I hope you are doing well. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more update and don't forget to share my videos. Wow, good news about Pi Network. Have you ever think Pi coin price after Binance listing it? Listen this video until the end. Pi coin is a highly anticipated cryptocurrency project. It was developed by Stanford graduates. Its goal is to become a widely used digital currency for everyday transactions. Pi Network started by allowing users to mine Pi coins on their phones. It emphasized accessibility and community building. For years, Pi had no official public market price. It was in a closed mainnet phase. This meant users could not freely trade their Pi coins on exchanges. Everything changed once Pi coin officially listed on Binance. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. A Binance listing brought global exposure to Pi coin. It immediately boosted the credibility of the project. Upon listing, Pi coin experienced massive volatility. Early trading saw sharp price fluctuations. Many early holders rushed to sell their coins. New investors eagerly bought in, causing price surges. Initially, the price spiked dramatically. Some reports indicated a starting price above $100. This spike was partly driven by speculation. FOMO, fear of missing out, played a major role. Traders wanted to catch early profits. However, massive selling pressure quickly followed. The price corrected downward significantly. It found temporary support around $30 to $50. The extreme volatility scared some investors. But long-term believers remained optimistic. Analysts compared Pi coin's debut to other major launches. It resembled Bitcoin's early wild swings. Pi's large user base helped stabilize the market. Over 50 million users had mined Pi prior to launch. This made it one of the largest crypto communities. Community sentiment influenced price stability. Binance offered both spot and futures trading for Pi. Futures contracts introduced additional volatility. Short sellers bet against the price. Long buyers hoped for a rally. High trading volume indicated strong interest. Pi coin ranked among the top traded coins briefly. Some believed Pi could reach $1,000 someday. Others warned of potential crashes. Major crypto influencers discussed Pi extensively. YouTube was flooded with Pi coin analysis videos. Twitter trends featured #PiCoin and #Binance listing. Crypto news outlets reported hourly updates. Many early adopters finally cashed out. They realized real profits for the first time. Still, some chose to hold, expecting future gains. The Pi core team made statements to calm the market. They reminded users about Pi's long-term vision. They urged responsible trading practices. Institutional interest in Pi coin also grew. Some hedge funds explored Pi coin investments. Certain retailers began accepting Pi payments. This practical utility boosted confidence. Developers continued building apps on Pi Network. The ecosystem's growth helped support the price. Rumors circulated about government partnerships. However, no official announcements were confirmed. Binance encouraged staking Pi coin for rewards. Staking helped reduce sell pressure temporarily. Meanwhile, whales began accumulating Pi. This accumulation created a stronger price floor. Smaller investors followed their lead. Technical analysis showed bullish patterns forming. Moving averages indicated potential uptrends. RSI levels suggested healthy corrections. Market sentiment turned cautiously optimistic. Some price predictions suggested $50 to $70 targets. Others remained conservative, suggesting $20 to $30. Pi coin's price started reflecting real-world adoption. Not just hype anymore, utility mattered. Payment use cases increased gradually. Merchants' acceptance gave Pi more legitimacy. Listings on other exchanges began. KuCoin, OKX, and Bybit also listed Pi. Cross-exchange arbitrage opportunities appeared. Arbitrage helped normalize Pi's price globally. Binance Pi USDT trading pair became very liquid. Price discovery stabilized over weeks. Gradually, Pi coin settled in a reasonable price range. It fluctuated between $35 and $45 for a while. Analysts considered it healthy consolidation. Bitcoin's market movement also affected Pi. A Bitcoin rally lifted Pi coin higher. Conversely, Bitcoin corrections pulled Pi lower. Pi began correlating with overall crypto market trends. Some saw this as a sign of Pi's maturity. The core team announced future roadmap updates. Plans for open mainnet and smart contract integrations were teased. These announcements reignited excitement. Investors realized Pi's growth was still early. Analysts predicted a long-term bull trend. Pi coin entered a new accumulation phase. Strategic investors bought dips consistently. Pi's community-driven model remained its biggest strength. Developers continued launching dApps on Pi network. Each new application added intrinsic value to Pi. Slowly but surely, Pi coin carved its niche. After listing on Binance, Pi coin proved its resilience. The future for Pi coin looked brighter than ever. Yes. Pi coin finally listed on Binance, causing massive excitement across the crypto world. At first, the price spiked sharply due to heavy speculation and FOMO. Early adopters rushed to sell, while new investors jumped in. After wild swings, Pi settled into a more stable trading range. Strong community support and growing real-world use cases helped stabilize the price. Developers kept building apps, increasing Pi's practical value. Binance trading volume for Pi stayed high, showing strong interest. Other exchanges like KuCoin and OKX quickly followed with their own Pi listings. Over time, Pi coin proved it's more than just hype, it's building a real digital economy. The future looks bright for Pi as it continues to grow globally. Thank you so much for watching my video. Comment and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.